All right, everyone. Hello, good afternoon, good evening. This is Chainsaw 1. A lot of people have asked me to take a look into this and watch this anime, so I'm pretty excited about that. This is going to be one of the first videos that I ever do that's just all in English. I'm probably going to mess up and speak Japanese a couple times. Probably while watching it, might not be messing up, but it's going to be a little bit awkward because I do 99.99999% of all of my videos in Japanese, so probably going to be speaking over myself a little bit. Also, second thing is I will not be doing any anime sounds, no music, just my voice, and I'm going to be showing a little bit of the show, just like in the lower third here. Okay, so put on the timer, and let's get into it. I don't know anything about this show, so let's figure it out as we go. Just to make sure, let me see. All right, no sound is going through. Okay, let's check it out. Chainsaw Man. So my dude is waking up in an alleyway in maybe Tokyo. Seems like Tokyo. Just because it's a bunch of city. And we've got some paper maybe on the door, and there's a little peephole. Someone could be looking at him. Seems a little creepy. The paper might be hiding something. It might be hiding some kind of like demonic symbol or something. Don't know what it could be. And he wakes up. Okay, sorry about that. Package just arrived. You can see the show has progressed like 2 seconds. I will be heading back in now. 3, 2, 1, start. All right, so my guy's waking up in just a terrible apartment. Just absolutely disgusting. He says he's going to work. He's going through the forest. Where does he live? 1-lane road. It's probably a, oncoming and ongoing traffic. Okay, so, I think I know where this is. Wait, I forgot what the Japanese is. Actually, I forgot what the name is. What? You sold a kidney? You sold your eye? What? You didn't even get $1,000 for selling your balls? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Dude, you're not gonna get anywhere selling your balls. Oh, this guy has a chainsaw in his head. So, you're $380,000 in debt. Okay, you get $3,000 for killing a demon? Okay, so you have to kill this demon dude. Why are you in debt? What the hell is going on with this world? This place in Tokyo, it's like to the very far left near the mountain. だと思うんだけど. Just a little bit of Japanese there. My dude, what are all these people doing wearing suits? It feels like it's just a little bit like, what is it called? Jujutsu Kaisen? Yeah. Oh, bowling ball. What's the place called in Tokyo? People get really mad. They're like, please watch the OP. You gotta watch this guy's Hizumakura. It's like so amazing. No, look, I need to look at the map of Tokyo, and I need to figure out what the hell the part of Tokyo that's like on the super far side. What's it called? Not the Ku name. Come on, man. Oh wait, yeah. If it's Ku, then it's like Shinai-jan. I don't. Wait. No, it's Shinai. Yes, but I care more about not the she. What is it called, man? Ku とかじゃないねんか. Talking about outside of the Kus. Man, people really gonna be like, here's a map of Tokyo and not have anything outside of the city? It's a prefecture. God, these are terrible maps. A tomato demon? Ah. Wait a second. Oh, happy. Awesome. Eh? What? What the fuck? The fuck? So it's all done like tembiki and shit. Yeah, I don't think the water bill is gonna be that. What the fuck? Okay, you just need to kill lots of demons. But I mean, one demon, that's like your month's expenses right there. Awesome. I mean, for you, it doesn't seem like it's too difficult. You just use your Pochita man. Because he does it, right? That's a bummer. He's got a little devil friend? That's what his dude is? Pochita? He does what he's told. Yeah, you gotta be a good hitman, okay? Is he driving like a Volkswagen Golf? Wow. Give me the 100 yen, dude. It's okay, but give me the 100 yen, man. Get out of here. I mean, you guys aren't like running around in the sexiest car ever. Where the hell do they find tomato demons? You didn't even eat it. Smart dude. But, oh, he just threw it away. The 100 yen? What? How are you living for 3 days on 100 yen? Yeah. Yeah, you guys just eating bread? Okay. Well, I don't know how you're gonna kill demons living off eating bread. That shit is not gonna make you strong. That's a bummer. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I agree. I agree, man. You gotta get money for a love hotel for sure. Okay. I mean, that makes sense, but it's not that important. Is this memory about you and your pops who left you with like $400,000? What the fuck? Wow, that's fucked up. So that's episode 1, huh? I mean, that's like episode 0. But that's the beginning of his story. His dad dies, and the dude's like, okay, now pay $7,000 by tomorrow, or we'll chop you up. But on the same day, he got me made friends with little Pachito man. But Pachito is like maybe your dad's friend? I don't know. Pachito likes you. Oh, dude got shot up. But Pochita is not going to be worth $7,000. Wow. You're going to give this dude with the chainsaw? You're going to give the demon with a chainsaw on his head a little piece of your skin? That's pretty effed up. Dude, that's good. Dude, you're... Ow. Okay. I thought he might be like chainsawing you. I mean, I feel like Pochita could just like take advantage and kill you in this situation, but anyway, I guess you made a friend, which is cool. Okay. Killed some little dudes. I don't know if that's gonna be worth 7,000. But good job. And then now you live in this shack out in the woods. Man, you need some like a car or something, but I guess if you're just living on 800 yen for a month. Oh, you can do that? Wow. Wow. Sounds like a great day, man. Yeah, it's a good dream. Uh-oh. Oh, what happened there? Oh, cause you sold your liver and stuff, right? Oh, okay. Well, that's not good. Oh, got a job. No rest for the wicked. All right, Denji. I love how Pochita has like a little hand. Not a hand, a little handle on his butt. Made for being a chainsaw. So, I mean, you don't get drink, you can't sleep, you don't get food, you get like no money, and they're expecting you to kill demons, I guess. Okay. Well, I think that they would call this kaite shijo because you got no power in the relationship. Guess they have like tons of devil hunters just lined up already. Uh-oh. Seems like a betrayal. Uh-oh. Why are they betraying you, though? Why is it a trap? Feels strange. Why have they decided to trap you? They don't want you to work for basically free anymore? Okay, you're grateful. Yeah, that's what this guy does. So you're gonna kill him? Oh, you get stabbed? Oh yeah, you got stabbed. Oh shit! And Pikocha got stabbed too. Is that your name, Pikocha? I forgot its name. Well, what the fuck's going on? Oh, you're a demon. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. So you decided to sell this dude. Uh, ha 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 ha. So all these people became a zombie. Okay. I mean, I can understand that. Your friends are all getting killed by this dude. That makes total sense. But your boss decided to betray you. I guess that means you don't have to pay that stupid, you know, debt of like $300,000 anymore. So that's good. Damn. But are you gonna die? Get reborn? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen here? We still got a lot of Shaku left in this episode, so. Uh-oh. Dude, come from behind. Oh, you're gonna get stabbed, bro. Oh, shit. Ow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no, he got stabbed again. Fucking Hocho, man. Oh, no. Pikocha. Is that your name, Pikocha? Yeah, it's a sad day. No, you got sold. Man, you got fucked. These people suck. And you're getting killed by the zombie devil. So now, do you become a zombie? You just die. and get reborn. Oh, they put you in the dumpster. That sucks. And Pikachu, fuck, man. Well, you're definitely dead. But this blood is gonna go into Pikachu, and he's gonna get revitalized. Okay. Blood. It's not Pikachu, it's Pochita, of course. Damn, that's depressing. Oh, did you guys build your house? You built it? With Pikachu? Yeah. Damn. You guys are good friends, huh? This cute little Pochita. Sorry, I kept calling you Pikachu, man. Oh, shit. Take over my body? Oh, shit. So you become Pochita. So, wait a second. So this story is about Pochita? Because Pochita is going to take over his body? But I mean, you can't wait until he gets buried, right? You got to do it right now. And I guess it's kind of similar. Like, nobody's going to bury this dude. He got buried in the dumpster already. I'm sorry. Yeah. Well, I'm glad. What? What the hell? Sounds like Digimon guy. Like Agumon. It. Oh. Okay, so Pochita gave. It's like the opposite. Pochita didn't take over him. He took over Pochita. So Pochita is now inside him. Damn. Now he's like a crazy human devil man. Amazing. Yeah, don't say that, man. Omayuna. Okay, so now you are super Denji. I mean, they had a really shitty car. Like a really shitty car. I can understand if they wanted a better car. Yeah, everyone wants a little more. Makes total sense. He's gonna take like a chainsaw out of his arm. Or maybe he's gonna take a chainsaw from his chest. He has become a chainsaw. Got it. So these guys are eating him again, which is cool. I don't know about that. He's gonna become Chainsaw Man. Okay? There's gonna be some chainsaw stuff happening right now. There's a you can hear the rum. And they're gonna go. Yeah, wow, his head became a chainsaw and his arms also became chainsaws. That's pretty metal. Okay. Dude's looking a little bit like Berserker. Got like guts from Berserker, you know, with the face. Yeah, he's now a demon dude. Wow. But yeah, I think that you're not long for this word, Mr. Zombie. And then what happened to your friend? You're like Devil Hunter Boss Man. I mean, it looks like that guy also became a zombie. I'm not sure. Wow. This is a hard head. But I guess he is a devil now. Yeah, and these are all devil hunters, right? They're all kind of lame. Ooh. It's like an Uzomuzoke zombie. No. Uzomuzoke devil, you know, like just strength and numbers kind of stuff going on here. Whereas on the other side, we've got Denji, who's like a single powerful dude guy. Mm-hmm. So all you got to do is get in the futokuro, as they say. You got to get underneath the guard. And then, wait a second. I'm interested. So this guy is missing his right eye. Is that the last attack that Denji did? Some crazy shit. I mean, this is very gory. Okay. And I would say he's a chainsaw man. I mean, like, if you were to ask me what you would call this guy, I'd say chainsaw man. That makes sense. So now what do the zombies do? They like lost their intelligence, right? Yeah, I think that's how that worked. Yeah, so I'm interested now. I mean, you still need money, right? Like money might not be a part of this anime anymore. Oh, yeah. There's the zombie guy that betrayed you. Got it. So what happens now? Like, do you have to get in touch with the black market and be like, yo, I've got a bunch of zombie bodies for you? Just like check them out. I don't know, give me like $10,000 or something like that. Is that what you do? Like, how do you get this whole economy thing going? When are you gonna get your own devil hunters and start, making more money? That's how this all goes, right? And who is arriving now? Oh, other devil hunters, I think, probably. Are you still in your Chainsaw Man form? Because I think you might get killed. Hopefully you're back to normal Denji mode. Nope, still Chainsaw Man. Okay. Uh-oh. 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 They're gonna be after you soon. But you're not attacking them, so yeah, you don't want to kill me, right? Why is your nose so good? Yeah. I guess you don't have a mouth right now, so oh. Well, somehow, for some reason, she decided to hug him. Oh, and then he melted away back to a human. Sweet. It's like a human devil hybrid. Dude, her eyes are very weird. Why? Nice. Koan? You're like what? Working for the police? Koan is kind of like the CIA, in my opinion, of Japan. The public safety. Hey, wait a second. Why does this guy have to be like a pet for everyone? Why can't he just like do his own thing and like sell these zombie dudes to the black market and make money? Oh shit, dude, it's your dream. Wait, you get dessert for breakfast? Grapefruit? Grapefruit? No? Pudding? Okay, cool. So All right. It's a bit like Dorohedoro, you know, just kind of like throws you into this crazy world where things kind of make sense to other things in the story. Doesn't make sense to me. But yeah. And then like, do people know about the devils just like around, or is it like very underground? Who knows? A bit like Jujutsu Kaisen, that kind of interesting thing. It's kind of fun though. So let me just make sure that there's no ED. I don't think there is. No. All right. Let me just let's kill the timer. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching the show. I had a lot of fun with the first episode. I thought it was like pretty up tempo. Got through a lot of story. You got a really good understanding of the main character Denji and his dog, who unfortunately Pochita passed away. I guess he now like lives inside. Like they became one, which is cool. Although it was sad. I don't know what's up with his dad. What his dad had to do with those devil hunters. Like, it is going to probably be an important plot point as we go forward. Other cool things happening, like he met the public safety, which is like the official police force in Japan, like the CIA kind of. They have their own devil hunter crew. It feels like, you know, the government at least knows what's going on. But yeah, it's an interesting show. I really liked it, and it was cool taking a show in English. You know, if you like this kind of content, you want me to do more episodes in English, please leave me that like, comment, all the YouTube stuff. I really don't say that often in my Japanese videos, but yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okini.